Have you ever wondered how the food you eat affects your brain? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Most of us are well aware of how our diet impacts our physical health, whether it's maintaining a healthy weight, keeping our heart in good shape, or even just fueling our bodies for the day. But what about our mental health? Our brains, after all, are a part of our bodies too. Let's talk about the concept of brain food. It's not just a trendy buzzword, it's a real thing. Certain foods can actually boost brain function, improving things like memory and focus. Imagine that, eating your way to a sharper mind. So when we sit down to a meal or grab a snack, it's not just about quelling hunger or satisfying cravings. It's about nourishing our brains, feeding our thoughts, and optimizing mental performance. You see, every bite we take is a decision that affects our brain's health and function. So, how exactly does food impact our brain's health and performance? Now that's a question that opens up a world of fascinating science. To begin with, it's important to understand that our brain is a powerhouse. It's responsible for controlling all our bodily functions and making sense of the world around us. And to do all that, it needs a lot of energy. In fact, despite making up only about 2% of our body weight, the brain gobbles up a whopping 20% of our daily energy intake. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. The brain needs certain nutrients to function optimally, and the food we eat can either provide these nutrients or conversely hinder brain function. Let's take a closer look. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as blueberries and spinach, are beneficial for the brain. Antioxidants help protect our brain cells from damage, keeping our brains healthy and functioning well. Similarly, foods abundant in good fats, like avocados and nuts, are also brain boosters. These fats aid in the production of brain cells and keep our minds sharp. On the other hand, vitamins and minerals, found in a variety of foods, assist in brain function too. For instance, vitamin B6, found in chickpeas and fish, helps produce neurotransmitters, the chemicals that enable our brain cells to communicate with each other. But not all foods are created equal. Junk food, high in sugar and bad fats, can actually damage brain cells. These foods can lead to inflammation, impair memory, and even contribute to mental health issues like depression. So it's not just our bodies that we need to consider when we're deciding what to eat. We need to think about our brains too. We need to feed them a diet rich in antioxidants, good fats, vitamins and minerals. And remember, it's never too late to start eating well. Even small changes can make a big difference to our brain health. In essence, our brain is shaped by what we eat. So let's make sure we're giving it the best possible fuel. After all, a healthy brain is a happy brain. To summarize, let's round up the key points on how food affects the brain. Our dietary choices play a significant role in the health and functioning of our brains. The nutrients we consume can bolster brain cells, reduce inflammation, and even stimulate the production of feel-good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. A balanced diet is paramount when it comes to maintaining a healthy brain. This means eating a mix of nutrients that our brain needs to function optimally. Just like a high-performance sports car, our brain needs premium fuel to run smoothly. Let's talk about specific foods that are beneficial for brain health. First on our list is fatty fish. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish are a major source of the healthy fats our brains need. Next are blueberries, packed with antioxidants that delay brain aging and improve memory. Turmeric, on the other hand, crosses the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. Broccoli is high in antioxidants and vitamin K, believed to support brain health, while pumpkin seeds pack a powerful mix of antioxidants and a rich source of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. If you have a sweet tooth, dark chocolate is your friend. It's full of flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, key for preventing mental decline, and eggs are a rich source of several B vitamins and choline, which are important for proper brain functioning and development. Green tea offers caffeine and antioxidants, and nuts, especially walnuts, have high levels of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. However, it's equally important to avoid foods high in refined sugars and unhealthy fats, as they can harm your brain health. Remember, Every time you're eating, you're feeding your brain as well. So, choose wisely.